If you just picked up the Galaxy A17, you might have noticed that powering it off isn't as straightforward as older models. That's because Samsung replaced the old power button with a side button that, by default, launches Bixby instead of the power menu. The good news is there are multiple ways to turn off or restart your Galaxy A17 5G, and you can even remap the side button to behave like the classic power key. Let's go through them. First, using the hardware buttons, press and hold the side button and volume down key at the same time. When the power menu appears, tap power off, then tap again to confirm. To restart, tap restart instead. To turn your phone back on, press and hold the side button until the Samsung logo appears. Second, using the Quick Settings panel, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Quick Settings. In the upper right corner, near the pencil icon, tap the power icon to bring up the power menu, then select power off or restart. This is especially useful if your side button isn't working. Third, using Bixby. Once Bixby voice is set up, hold the side button or open the Bixby app, then simply say, "Turn off my phone," or restart the device. Fourth, remapping the side button. If you'd rather skip Bixby altogether, you can change its function. Open Settings, tap Advanced Features, then tap Side button, tap Long Press, and select Power Off menu. From now on, a long press on the side button will bring up the power menu, just like the old power key. And finally, force restart. If your phone is frozen, stuck on the logo, or unresponsive, press and hold the side button and volume down key together for about 10 seconds. Keep holding until the Samsung logo appears. Don't worry, this won't erase any data. With these options, you'll never be stuck wondering how to power off or restart your Galaxy A17 5G. For example, if your phone freezes during a game, the force restart gets it running again. If your side button fails, the Quick Settings power icon is a lifesaver. And when you're hands-free, even Bixby can handle a shutdown for you. If this video helped you manage your Galaxy A17 5G better, please give it a like or watch another video to discover even more ways to master your device.